Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the topic of life insurance industry in India. So let's discuss. Life insurance in India provides financial security against life risks. The industry is regulated by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Life Insurance Corporation of India (LIC) is the largest life insurance provider. The life insurance sector was nationalized in 1956. Private players were allowed in the sector after 2000. Popular private insurers include HDFC Life, ICICI Prudential, and SBI Life. Life insurance penetration in India is relatively low. The sector contributes significantly to India's financial markets. Term insurance plans are a common offering. Unit linked insurance plans ULIPs combine insurance and investment. Traditional plans include endowment and money back policies. Policies often offer tax benefits under Section 80C. Maturity proceeds are exempt from taxes under Section 1010D. The government has introduced schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Distribution channels include agents, banks, and digital platforms. Bank assurance has emerged as a major distribution method. Life insurers invest in long-term assets like infrastructure. Rural insurance policies are mandatory for insurers. Women specific and senior citizens plans are available. The sector is attracting foreign investment. Foreign direct investment (FDI) limit in insurance is 74%. Insurers offer group life insurance to companies. Riders like critical illness and accidental death enhance coverage. Claims settlement ratio is a critical performance indicator. LIC has one of the highest claim settlement ratios. Insurers face challenges like fraud and mis-selling. Digital transformation is reshaping the industry. Ensure tech startups are gaining popularity in India. COVID-19 increased awareness about life insurance. Micro insurance policies target low income groups. Online term plans are more affordable than offline ones. Many insurers offer policies for non resident Indians. The industry contributes to economic development. The solvency ratio ensures the financial health of insurers. Premiums are determined based on risk profiles. Policy lapsation is a concern due to non-payment of premiums. Revival options are available for lapsed policies. LIC went public with an IPO in 2022. The industry generates scientific and employment opportunities. Grievance redressal mechanism ensure customer satisfaction. Mobile apps and chatbots enhance customer experience. IRDAI promotes financial literacy about insurance. Child plans focus on securing children education. Retirement plans provide post-retirement income. Increasing competition has improved product offering. Rural insurance accounts for a growing market share. Life insurance helps in wealth creation. Health linked life insurance policies are gaining traction. Customization options are now offered by many insurers. Public awareness campaigns emphasize the importance of life insurance. So, if you are watching this video and like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe of this channel. So, thank you so much. Bye. Let's meet again.